Right guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to the Wolves versus Sheffield United game in the FA Cup third round at Molineux. I will be my mate as well, Kieran's going to the game as well, so you'll see him in the vlog in a bit. And it's match today, back at Molineux, back in the safe bank today as well. I was looking forward to it. If you do enjoy this video guys, I'm going to set a like goal of 100 likes on the video. If you can hit that guys, that'd be amazing. Also guys, smash that red subscribe button below guys as well. And on the way to 4K subscribers in here guys, if you're trying to see guys, that'd be amazing. So yeah, catch you all in a bit. Right guys, as you can see currently, walking down the road. Also I'm going to meet Kieran in a minute, then we're going to get the bus up to Wolvo and then go to Molineux in a bit. So Kieran will be in the vlog. I don't think he's ever been in one of my vlogs, so this might be the first time he'll be in the vlog. But yeah, we'll catch you all in a bit. Right guys, as you can see currently in the bus station waiting for the number one. Here we are, big Keza as well. So we're going to the game in a bit. So yeah, catch you all in a bit. Right guys, as you can see currently, little Kieran just arrived at Wolvo now. I'm going to get something to eat now and then obviously head down to the ground in a bit. So yeah, catch you all in a bit. Right guys, as you can see currently, we're still right. Little bit Keza as well, walking down. I'm going to the ground in a minute. So yeah, just catch you all in a bit. Right guys, as you can see currently, so that's obviously we've got 40 minutes till kick off. So yeah, catch you all in a bit. What's up? Before T-Bus. Good win today, 3-0 win at Sheffield United. Go bit, where's some lads as well? Right guys, as you can see, currently walking up the road. I will be in this vlog in a bit, but not yet. But yeah, catch you all in a bit. Right guys, we're going to end the vlog now. Thank you for watching, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Great win for us. 3-0 win over Sheffield United into the fourth round in the FA Cup. And we got Norwich in the fourth round in the FA Cup as well at home, and I'll be at that game as well. So yeah, if you did enjoy this video guys, I did set a like goal of 100 likes on this video. If you can do that guys, that'd be amazing. Smash that like button below. Also guys, smash that red subscribe button below as well guys. We're on the road to 4K subscribers in here guys. If you can hit that soon guys, that'd be amazing. So yeah, enjoy your day guys. Stay safe everyone and goodbye. Love you all, peace, and thanks for watching. Goodbye, peace out, bye everyone.